Hi, I'm Tracy Drake. This is Standing QiGong, and this is, what number is this? Number 7 of the 8 Brocades. So the 7th movement practice of the 8 Brocades, punching with fierce eyes. So let's begin. We want to take the feet a little bit wider apart than hips width, and a little bit of softness in the knees, dropping the pelvis down a little bit, but standing tall with ease. Take a couple of nice long breaths here, just connecting with the breath. Noticing how you feel today. And then taking the hands and just pulling the elbows into the side of the body. Hands and fists can be soft to begin with. And then from here, we literally punch forwards with one hand, and then we switch sides. So that hand comes back and we punch forwards with the other hand. Come back, punch forwards. So it doesn't have to be a really big movement, and just so that you can see this from the side, punching forwards, pulling back, forwards, pulling back, switching hands as we go. So it does actually build strength depending how dynamic you are with your punch forwards. And requires a little brain yoga as well. So a little bit of mental stimulation here, just coordinating the hands and the movement. I like to breathe out as I punch. You decide what works for you. And eventually we can start to really allow this movement to flow. So that it is less stilted and more of a flowy movement. Good. And you can make this as strong as you like. And fierce eyes, I like to just stare at a point on the wall in front of me. Traditionally in QiGong, we practice with closed eyes. And finishing our practice, coming back to our basic standing posture. Noticing how you feel. Noticing any sensations in the body. Letting the breath settle. Nice. Thank you for joining me. Punching with fierce eyes, number 7 of the 8 Brocades. Have a great day.